Hey guys, today's gonna be a hair video, wash day, styling, whatever. I'm actually not really sure yet. I'm very indecisive and I'm potentially gonna bleach my hair tonight. So I thought it was best that I actually show my hair now. I prefer show me styling my hair when I had first cut it, and like the length and the growth, and just talk about my hair and its journey, because I'm basically restarting my curly hair journey since cutting my locks. I just felt like I had a lot of things that I just wanted to let go of, and I feel like a lot of people get caught up in thinking that their femininity is tied to like their hair. That's why for me it was important for me to just like cut my hair and be like fuck it, because I've never actually been able to just cut all of my hair off. It was such a thing that was held over me for a very long time. Like, oh, don't cut your hair, don't do this, don't do that. Like, people are gonna think you're a lesbian. Like, a little bit. But like, I know it's best to bleach your hair when your hair's dirty, but because I'm quite indecisive and I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna do it today, I thought I should just wash my hair anyway, like my hair needs washing. I'm using the tea tree and tea tree mint. I thought it was peppermint. It is tea tree and peppermint and milk oil OGX organic shampoo. I like this one because it's really clarifying. It takes all the oil and all the everything, all the environment, all the ghetto air out of my hair. And then I've got the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and the conditioner. These two, I just love the smell of them, and that's why I'm going to use them. I like the moisture that it gives me as well. I don't really like the volume range. I just don't think it makes sense to use in my hair. When it comes to like products and stuff, if something says for extra dry hair, because I don't want extra dry hair, I just use that even if my hair's not dry, which it's probably just a marketing scam. But I got my jug because save the environment and stuff. I don't think I need to have the shower running the whole time that I'm shampooing my hair. Just fill it up as I need, you know. I think even that much is like too much for my whole head, but I know the areas of my head where like product builds up, and it's usually the sides, simply because of like my edges and just how I style my hair in general, and how my hair is. It's a pattern. Even when I had my locks, like residue and build up was usually in the middle and on the sides. So I like to make sure I put effort into those areas, because there's nothing worse than wanting to do a style on your hair and then you can just see like gel and stuff, or their little cloudy white bubbles and things in your hair. When I say that OGX shampoo tingles, that's the word. Wow, so dyslexic. When I say that shampoo tingles, it tingles. So because the OGX one is like peppermint and tea tree and all that stuff, I find where it's really clarifying, it's really drying. So using the Aussie one after just gives me back the moisture that it dries out from my hair. And it's just so soapy and like, I don't know, it's like face wash. When it's got all the little exfoliating bits and it gives you loads of soap, it makes you feel like it's proper washing your body and like cleaning you. It's like when you scrub your body with Dettol, like that's how that tea tree shampoo feels to my scalp. It just feels so clean, and I like that. But at the same time, I need the moisture back. So that's why I use this one. And the smell is really nice as well because it's macadamia nut. I'm gonna wash this out, because I'm gonna put the conditioner in and let it sit for a while. I can see how much my hair's grown. Oh my gosh, I feel like something out of Dr. Seuss. So now for the conditioner. It's so crazy to see how much my hair has grown. Like, I feel like it really wasn't this length when I first cut it, because I did untwist each lock to just cut it at an even-ish length. One thing about this conditioner, it's not a leave-in. If this was a leave-in, I would love it, but it's not, because look at this, like the definition that you get is so cute. I'm excited to go blonde, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. So to avoid friction, I'm just gonna put a t-shirt over my head and tie it with a hairband. As I was explaining before, I don't use towels. Me putting this on inside out is crazy. So I'm just gonna leave that conditioner for like an episode of Dr. Stone and come back. So I'm back, I washed the conditioner out and I kind of ended up taking that t-shirt out. My hair was too wet for that t-shirt, so we just had to cave in. Just prefer my hair when it's fluffy, so day 2 hair is my favorite when it comes to my curls. Like this is nice, but I want it fluffier, like bigger curls and all that. As I've just gone and combed it through, I don't think I can do like finger waves or anything right now. I might try that when I'm blonde. Products wise, I did receive some new bits from For Your Curls, which was really nice of them. I made a recent video, which I'll tag. Also got a product breakdown from when I first started using the products when my hair was like here. So yeah. I've got the Refresh and Detangler spray and the leave-in conditioner. I'm using my old one because it's not finished. It's almost done, but I do have a new one, so I will be using it a lot more. Since I dried my hair when I didn't need it completely dried, I thought I'd just spray it and then lock it back. Just gonna like run my hand through it to actually activate that again, because of the fact I just towel dried my hair, which is really naughty of me. I do need my hair to be damp. So this is my hair on day, Carnival was 2 days ago, yeah. So I washed my hair the night before Carnival, put all my products in it, my gel, combed it all through and all that good stuff. I tried to actually do like comb it all back and do a finger wave thing. It wasn't happening, so I just fluffed it all back up, and this is my hair after 2 days. I prefer it like this because it fills over my gaps when it fluffs out and it doesn't look like I have like bald patches. It's simply because of how my hair curls and the fact that I did have locks for a while, so it parts at random spots and I can't stop it from doing that because it's how it grows now. Until it grows out longer, I can't train it to like fall a certain way. But this is my hair. If you want to see how I got my makeup like this, then click the relevant video. It will be an end card at the end. If you like my hair, then comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff, and let me know what you actually want to see me do with my hair next. I'm potentially going to be dyeing it. I'm not sure if I'm going to go blonde, copper or red, but the bleach is here and copper is like calling me because I've had copper before, but that was like 4 or 5 years ago and that was when my hair was long. But I think copper would be really cute because blondes might be too much considering all of my like aesthetic features are quite dark. I don't want to go too bright. Something creative, I'm not sure yet, but I think copper would be really nice. And then if I have copper braids, I'm just getting excited thinking about it. But yeah, I'm gonna run some errands because an infill is definitely needed. I want to change my shape, maybe do something like square or coffin shape. Not coffin, put them in a coffin. Something square, maybe square, like long square,